Now, you see the importance of making sure that you blow and that you pick up stuff like this, because see, it can't get in. But see, once you clear all that out, it just falls like butter. Unless, of course, you want to do composting, which, you know, we do. But cool. That's why you have to make multiple runs, because you're not always going to get everything in one run. Blah, blah. Once again, the importance of blowing. It does leaves pretty good. It's just these pineapples are... Pineapple? These pine needles are going to be a little bit of an issue. You can hear the sounds. It makes it sound like... Because it's trying to pick... It's going to pick everything up, because this is brand new, too. But did you hear the satisfying sound of chunk, 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 chunk? All that money going in there? Alright. So, then, come hold this so I can see what it's like to pick up the basket. No, come hold the phone. Because we're showing Dad, So, getting out, don't hold it. I'm by myself. I'm trying to see what it's going to do. Okay. I guess it was on a hill before. Anyway, alright, so then, follow me with it. According to the dude, you would then come over here and pour it into your bucket like so. But if we're going to be doing the bag, and here's the bag. We'll see how that works. This is a smaller bag, so let's see. We could do it like yeah, that could work. Exactly. You just can't get like a huge heavy basket, but that would be the point, is not to overwork ourselves. So see, we can put the bags on. It's like so slender, you can put the bag right on it and empty it in there, and then we don't have to overwork ourselves. So now when you're done,
probably put the hook on the bag.
Yeah, I can put the hook on the bag. We'll work with all kind of stuff and see what works and what don't. And again, then you just come over here and you see these hooks right here. Just go ka-donk, ka-donk. There. Yep. And you just go like that. Voila, we have our bag of nut. Doodly doodly doo, doodly doodly doo, doo doo doo. Okay, Acorn Angels in business starting after the cable guy comes tomorrow. Yay!